Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Microsoft Store not working in laptop. Chapter 1. How to fix Microsoft Store not working in laptop, resetting the store. To start, enter Store in the search box. You're going to click on App Settings. After that, press the Terminate button. After this, click on Reset. You must confirm the process. Now wait for the store to be restored. When you complete this process, you can open the store to validate that it is working correctly. Chapter 2. How to fix Microsoft Store not working in laptop from terminal. To start, in the search box, enter PowerShell. Click on Run as administrator. You must click on Yes to open the terminal. After that, in the terminal, enter the command that you see on the screen. Press Enter and wait for it to complete. After this, restart the operating system to apply the changes. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. When you log in, you can check if the store is opening correctly. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.